Sports in Kazakhstan. People in Kazakhstan enjoy many traditional sports. There are lots of games that involve horses, such as baiga and kokpa. Kazakhstan has also got some great athletes in modern sports too. Take a look at our top 3 sports in Kazakhstan today. Cycling. Lots of people in Kazakhstan have got a bike. In fact, there are special bike paths in cities such as Almaty. Cycling is a popular sport, and Kazakhstan has a special racing team, Pro Astana. They wear blue and yellow cycling clothes, the colors of the national flag. Pro Astana cyclists win lots of medals, including a gold medal at the London 2012 Olympic Games for Alexander Vinokurov. Boxing. Kazakhstan is famous for this sport all over the world. The country wins lots of medals in boxing at every Olympics. Their national team is the Astana Arlans, and their symbol is the wolf. People from Astana all the way to Los Angeles know this boxer's name. Gennady Golovkin is a great boxer, and he never loses a fight. Most of his wins are by knockout, so people call him the Knockout King. Football. The most popular sport in Kazakhstan is football. Lots of people watch games between the teams in the Kazakhstan Premier League. Some of these teams even compete with famous European teams in the UEFA Champions League. There are lots of skillful players in Kazakhstan. Born in 1993, Bayajan Islamkhan is a young football player. He is the captain of Kairat, a team that plays in the Kazakhstan Premier League. He also plays for the national team. Bayajan is a great footballer. What other sports are popular in your country? Who are the biggest sports stars?